Reena Patel for LGIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 6, fuel cell. Okay, and the topic is what is the basic definition of this fuel cell and what is the power rating and performance of this fuel cell, and also the fuel cell net sketch. What is the advantage and challenge of this fuel cell vehicle and this layout of this fuel cell vehicle. Let me start. First we discussion about what is a fuel cell. Okay, so first what is a fuel cell? You can see the diagram. Fuel cell, it is a main part. Means the fuel cell is electrochemically cell, means that is a potential energy from fuel into electricity. Another is the potential, is fuel cell is like this chemical energy is converted to electrical energy and produce a power, means produce electricity. It is a known as fuel cell. Okay, means the fuel cell is different from this battery. Means this chemical energy is comes, means chemical is already present in the, okay, chemical energy comes from this chemical is already present at the battery. Means the simple basically is hydrogen plus oxygen, you can convert this water. Means the simple definition of this fuel cell like this: chemical energy or potential energy is converted to electrical energy and produce electricity, means to provide this power. It is known as fuel cell. The first commercial is fuel cell. This light came is more than the space program in satellite. Also the another application used as an industrial, residential, in remote area. Also the vehicle, automobile, this vehicle, bus, submarine. Okay, then this hydrogen car. It is another application of this use of fuel cell. Second point is what is second point is power rating performance of fuel cell. Means the power rating of this fuel cell, the energy efficiency system or device that can be used as an energy to measure this ratio of this output energy to input energy. Means the useful this output energy is percentage of this total input energy. Okay, it is a part of this power rating of this fuel cell. What is the performance? Means the performance of this fuel cell is medium compared to fuel cell car, which never becomes this technology or that is decide for becomes profitable this fuel cell. It is a part of this performance of this fuel cell. Electricity will be more used rather than this other performance of this fuel cell well, but not well compared to like other. It is a part of this power rating and performance of fuel cell. Okay, so first we discussion about this simple what is a fuel cell and this what is a power rating and performance of fuel cell. Then next point is what is a fuel cell diagram. It's fuel cell, basic fuel cell net sketch. You can see the basic diagram of this fuel cell. So first you can see the diagram and how this reaction for chemical energy is converted to electrical energy and produce a water. You can see first exist fuel, means the fuel is enter, means the hydrogen, okay, is anode, electrolyte and cathode. Okay, this anode, this hydrogen is included, means H2 plus 2 electron is passes to the cathode, means the H plus and this air is enter, means oxygen enter, means H2 plus O2 is converted into H2O, means on uses gases is out. This is a simple basic fuel cell net sketch. You can see the also the diagram, means hydrogen is enter and this breakdown this electron, means electron is passes to the cathode and current is passes to the cathode, means anode to cathode, means cathode you can this enter this oxygen enter means H2 plus O2 and this converted into water means the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy and produce the power to produce the electricity. It is known as fuel cell. Okay, then next point is what is the advantage of this fuel cell vehicle. Okay, so first is advantage of fuel cell vehicle. The fuel cell is higher efficiency than this diesel or gas engine. The first point is efficiency is very high compared to diesel or gas engine. Okay, second point is the most of this fuel cell is operately silently is compared to IC engine. Okay, it is another disadvantage of this fuel cell vehicle. Also the another point is install is remote area noise pollution, it's reduce the noise pollution, it is another point. Then fuel cell can the pollution caused by burn of this fossil fuel like this hydrogen fuel cell is only by product point used as a water. Means the comparison of this gasoline car, okay, and this hydrogen fuel cell car. Okay, the main difference is in gasoline is combustion of this exit product like this carbon dioxide plus water vapor, and this hydrogen car is only this water vapor. Means to reduce the pollution. Means gasoline car reduce means the exit gas means increasing the CO2 is released to the environment. So many effect this global warming and greenhouse effect. But fuel cell is no gases is released because it is a part of natural water. Okay, it is also the environmentally friendly. The maintenance of this fuel cell is simple since there are these four moving part of system. Okay, another point of this advantage of fuel cell. Okay, second point also the low temperature fuel cell have the heat transition which make them this military application. Also they use as a military application. This is an advantage of this fuel cell vehicle. Also the another point is higher temperature this fuel cell produce the high grade this process heat along with the electricity and as well suited to use for residential purpose. Means it is a mostly application in industrial, residential, in remote area. Okay, less noise pollution, another was environmentally eco-friendly, less only this exit product gases like only water vapor. It's compared to gasoline car. It is a part of advantage of fuel cell vehicle. Then second point is what is the disadvantage, this challenge of this fuel cell vehicle. Challenge of this fuel cell vehicle, the first point is very expensive to manufacturing due to this high cost of this catalyst. Means which type of this catalyst? Platinum catalyst. The cost is very high. Means it is a very expensive manufacturing. This manufacturing process part is very expensive because the use of as a catalyst of platinum. Second point is lack of infrastructure to support the distribution of this hydrogen. Okay. Then third point is the on-board hydrogen storage is very difficult. Okay. Previous lecture I explained this storage of hydrogen. It is very difficult. Okay. It is a challenge of fuel cell. This another point is fuel cell of this vehicle is currently too expensive to compare with hybrid and conventional gasoline and diesel vehicle. This compared to diesel and gasoline vehicle is very expensive. Okay, this is also the challenge of fuel cell vehicle. Then also the fuel system is not as durable in IC engine and they do not perform as well as this extreme environment such as this of freezing temperature. It is also the challenge of this fuel cell vehicle. Okay, so first we discuss about this what is a fuel cell, then this power rating performance of this fuel cell, and this what is a fuel cell basic sketch. Okay, which chemically reaction to convert to water, and what is the advantage and challenge of fuel cell vehicle. Then second point is you can see the layout of this fuel cell vehicle. Okay, the fuel cell vehicle, you can see. So first, hydrogen fuel cell like is on board this fuel space rocket as well as automobile and transportation system. Okay, means the hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, this chemically energy is converted to electrical energy and produce the power, means to produce the electricity, means electrical motor, to power is provide to electrical motor, means the main difference of this gasoline engine car is different from this hydrogen fuel cell car. Okay, means the traditionally this model when this fuel is burned in same manner, but the main difference is the exit product, means gasoline engine car, the main exit product like this carbon dioxide plus water vapor, means so increasing the release of this CO2, the effect of this greenhouse effect, also the global warming, means increasing this pollution, and also the many types of this pollution created in environment. So hydrogen car is main difference compared to gasoline car is exit product like only this water vapor, means H2 plus O2, you can convert this H2O, means chemical energy is convert to electrical energy and produce the electricity, means to provide this power, and you can start this car. It is a layout of this fuel cell vehicle. Okay, then second point, what is a vehicle component of this, which type of this vehicle component of hydrogen fuel cell? This electrical car, the first is battery. Battery is traction, auxiliary is traction battery, means to provide this power and can start this car, means car accessory, it is a part of this battery. Then also the second point is battery pack, means the battery store this charge, storage of this hydrogen, and you can recharge this battery, means you can charge the battery and provide this power to motor. Okay, then also the DC converter, means this higher voltage convert to lower voltage convert to higher voltage at different this temperature. It is a part of DC converter. Then also the electrical traction motor, it is a fuel cell electrical vehicle. It is a also the fuel cell state. Okay, this need of this fuel filler, this need of this nozzle, and this is as a fuel tank. Fuel cell state means it is a part of storage of this hydrogen, this fuel tank. Then also the fuel tank of hydrogen means the storage of this hydrogen, and after you can use as a vehicle, means hydrogen storage in a fuel tank. Also the powered electrical controller. Another point, fuel cell electrical vehicle to provide this maximum operating at temperature, okay, to produce a power and torque. And also the thermal system, this heating is provided and produce the power and torque. It is a part of thermal system and cooling. Okay, this is a vehicle key component of this hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. Okay, then also the transmission, mechanical power. This transfer, this storage means the transmission of electrical, means the transportation of this storage hydrogen is transportation at different types of location, different types of transportation, and use as a store this hydrogen and provide this power. Okay, it is a part of transmission. So we discussion about today. First, what is a fuel cell? Okay, then what is the performance and power rating of fuel cell? Then what is the fuel cell, basic fuel cell net diagram, and what is the advantage and challenge of this fuel cell vehicle, and this layout of this fuel cell vehicle, and this which component of this hydrogen fuel cell car. Okay, thank you.